attached a marble slab to a metallic stand, and I didn't know it would turn out this beautiful. What do you think? Let's start from the beginning. I got the pieces from Easily, and I must say at first I was not shopping for a stool, but when I saw one they had attached, I decided it's time, because to be honest, I not had a coffee table or a stool. I just have a dining table, and sometimes when you don't want to sit on the dining table, you have to put your food on your laps, or you use some plastic stools we had in the house. So it was about time to upgrade. As you can see, the marble is so cute and well coordinated. I don't like too busy stuff. I like some sort of, it's cool, but it's beautiful. And it is even matching with my wall. Actually, I didn't have my wall in mind when I was choosing the stool. What I had is my dining table, because it's black. I just needed these tools to just contrast that black color of my dining table. Yeah, as you can see, we have now unpacked everything, and we're just trying to figure out how to install these small pieces. I must say it was not easy. It took time first to understand how they work, and then now to install. They had offered to put, but of course I have to try a DIY, and that is why we are doing this. So as you can see, the top is round, the bottom one is a semicircle, and then there are two stands. Yeah, so we have finally figured out how they look like, and then we are trying to figure out where those things go. As you can see, there are those black things that go to the end, which of course gives the stool a good finish, and that is why we put them there. Okay, you can see they're so cool, and they're just ensuring that even when you put it on the floor, it doesn't scratch or just get messed up. It just gives it some good finish, I must say that. Yeah, we have put on these ones. Okay, so we are now ready to set up the stool. So let's get to the fixing. Ukishaweka hiyo, mtu anaekanga hivi. So this is what we are putting. So what I discovered, so what I discovered, si wanazungusha na hii hivi. I think inatoa, inashika vibaya, sasa inakataa kutoka. You can do this to save time. Queen of DIY. Lakini let me tell you how I got to know how to do this. Ni siku ingine niliteseka kutoa taya. Sasa nikapeleka pale kwa petrol station. Walifanya na 2 seconds, niko like what? Si unaona? So you can see the outcome. Yeah. So we'll do that for all of them. Then we'll show you the final look. So the struggle has been real. Getting these things inside here is not easy. But we have this gadget. It looks like whatever you use to change tires. I don't know what it is. A spanner. It's actually called a spanner. Yeah. So whichever side, you can just play around with it. Side. Now we have this hole. Is where I want to put the other screw. You can use your hand to start with. The struggle sometimes is real. You just screw. It is quite some work, but we are done, and it is so fulfilling. This is actually an activity you can do as a family to just bond and connect. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section if this is something you would do as a family. Instead of just sitting idle, you can do these activities. It's getting on your nerves. We got mad. We struggled, but we have finally hacked it, and we are done with all of them. Yeah. After a lot of hard work, we now have our table all done, and we are left with placing the. So you just place like that. However, for safety, someone might just pick the top part and not pick the whole part. It is safer to add this, which is what they have added. This is a double-sided tape. Like, I don't know whether it's called a tape, but it's like the double-sided tape. So you peel this side, you fit it here, and it's sticking so fast before I can even shape it. The fact that it's easy to peel. You know, there are some others you really struggle. So we also put it here. Okay. I don't know how many we should put. Because it's a bit heavy, I think we'll put more. We'll place there. Tunaona vile kunashika montage. So the next thing is peeling the top side. I like the fact that you're not struggling as much. Some other things, some other stick-ons, you really put in a lot of effort. So we are done with that. So it's time to place our table. You can see the bottom is plain. God. It has to be accurate, eh? Isaidi iko sawa. I think iko sawa. Imeenda sana. Kwanza imeenda.
Imeenda sana.
Imeenda sana. Na inashika kushika. Ready? We are now putting the final one, and it has not been easy.
Haijapotea.
Yeah, this one This one was better. So let me bring the final product, the big one. The medium. And the small. How cool is that? How cool is that? It's so nice. I didn't expect that outcome. It has a touch of brown, which is like my seats, and always I love white, and the black with the touch of my dining table. So this turned out perfect. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this setup. I preferred these three as compared to having the bigger one, so that everybody can have a stool of their own and big space. Look at this, it's quite big. Yes, and we are done with our DIY for the day. Here is the outcome. As you can see, it's blending with the wall, so it's perfect. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. At first I was hesitant about this design, but I'm loving it. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete Meko banner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the Meko banner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.